Hello, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Koree the Traveler. Yeah, I've not traveled. I'm just within Kisumu right now, and I'm here at Kenya Poultry Farmers Limited. My friend works here. Actually, he's the CEO of this place, and I came to basically purchase some chicks here, the broilers. There are about 40 pieces, 40 chicks in there. So those are the chicks that I want to purchase today, the broilers, and with the help of Wycliffe Babu, I think everything will run smoothly. Right now Babu is working on the house of pigs. Yeah, so I'm just amazing, and I'm very super excited about this program. Is it a program or a, yeah, it's a project actually. So this is the reception of the office. Over here we have the nipple drinkers, Impex. KPF, Kenya Poultry Farmers Limited, making farming fun. So actually that's what I wanna do, like to be fun, like just to enjoy farming. And yeah, I'm just gonna be paying for everything right now. Then I'll be taking my chicks to my parents' place, where I'll be keeping them there. So yeah, I was able to purchase the Impex water solution. For me, I usually call it the nipple because of these ones here. And the funny thing about the chicks, the reason why it's red here, it's because it always attracts the chicks, and it actually makes the chicks to suck the nipples here because of the red color. That is something that I didn't even know, but I'm learning a lot. Yeah, and that is why I'm putting my hope in this project. I hope it will do good, and as time goes by, I'll be able to expand the business or my projects. Yeah, so I'm very excited. So let's go home, guys.
Everyone needs a shoulder to cry on. Everyone needs a helping hand. Everyone needs someone to rely on. Yes, everyone needs a friend. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light. Let Him lead the way, lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray.
I've managed to arrive home at my parents' place, and look here, we have Wycliffe Okemwa Babu. Yes, like I was saying, is the guy was been helping me today also to go fix the place where the chicks will be sleeping.
Yeah, the cage.
The cage. So these are the chicks.
The chicks.
Yeah.
Can I carry them?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I just hope they are still alive.
Yeah. Wow.
So these are just some of the normal hens that we have here around, and over here we've got These are the local. These are the local hens. Actually, this belongs to me. This is mine. And ziko bado 7 ama zili?
They're still 7.
Yeah. I got them from the granny while there were still 7 pieces. And they're still 7 pieces up to now. And it's almost how many weeks?
Like 2 weeks.
It's almost 2 weeks since we brought them home.
2 weeks.
So that is a good sign that for the broilers, they'll be able to survive too. So over here, that's my sister, my sissy, and baby Jasmine. Hi, Jazzy. G. Zazaza. Uncle is here. Uncle Koree is here. Uncle. Yes.
Hello guys, hope you guys are doing good. Welcome to Naomi and Jasmine's world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't checked my videos, you can go and find us at Naomi and Jasmine's world. So if you do, remember to subscribe. Road to 5,000 subscribers.
Amazing, road to 5,000 subscribers, guys. So please, you can go there, support my sister and baby Jasmine. See how cute she is. Uncle is here. So this is the cage that Wycliffe was helping today to fix. He actually had to take it to a place in around the nearest market here, so that they could just add this small wire mesh. And the reason as to why we are having this wire mesh is to prevent small is it always they're not even animals, right?
Yeah,
things like
the rodents, the rats and
rats and snakes.
yeah, from entering.
I don't know about snakes, but I'm very sure this hole here, it will be so hard for a snake to pass through.
Sure.
Yeah, so I think we have almost everything here. So we still have something that we haven't brought.
Yeah, I'm going to get the sawdust.
Or the sawdust.
The level or the floor is kept warm for the chicks.
So okay, just explain to them the purpose of the sawdust.
Actually, we are trying to keep the chicks warm. So I'm going to get the sawdust so that we can put it in the cage, and also to prevent the chicks from getting sick because of the cold. Yeah.
Amazing. These are some of the things that I'm just getting to learn them and to know about them. Yeah, so I'm just very, very excited, and I can even see our hens here. They are just welcoming our newcomers here. Yeah, the broilers in the building. This is not a building. The broilers in the compound. Yeah, I just love the cage.
It's so nice.
It's very, very good. Very, very amazing. So
So there are 43.
no, there are 40 pieces here.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
I think they'll be able to.
Yeah. For them, they'll be able to feed.
Meantime, I think we're gonna start with here.
Yeah.
I know it's so small.
Yeah.
We are just starting small.
Yeah.
And please, guys, don't judge us. Please, don't judge us.
Yeah. Smaller beginnings. Small
Yeah,
beginnings.
because we even started. We started with the other ones.
7 chicks. Now we have upgraded to. Now we have 47.
You see,
Total.
these are around 47 plus the
Yeah.
48 plus the mother.
Oh yeah. 48.
These other ones, I don't know. These are just my parents' hen. These are not mine. These are just my parents' hen. So over here, that is the hen that I got. I was gifted by the granny for doing an amazing job at her house, and she gifted me the hen plus the chicks. By that time, it had not yet started to lay eggs.
Oh.
So it was still young. So later on it laid eggs and it actually hatched. So I went for them later and brought them here together with Wycliffe.
They're doing good
Babu.
actually, as you can see. Yeah, they didn't put together.
So I think we are supposed to
Yeah, I'm
put
going
that one
cut
inside.
it, put it inside. Then after bringing the sawdust, I'm going to spread it nicely. Then we put in the chicks plus the food, and then now they're good to go.
Awesome.
Yes.
So I think I'll just be showing you guys the process and just everything in short. Yeah. So stay tuned, guys. So right now the thing that we are doing is to we are trying to lay like a flat area, because before it was just like this, you know. You see up here it was the same as down. So right now we've managed to get a cardboard, and we are going to actually this will prevent you know, so many things. If you guys know, then I don't have to explain more, you know. So I had to put another cardboard there. So right now I'm just inserting this one here, so that when we pour like the, what do you call the sawdust, it doesn't go out of the cage. So for now, like I said, this is just it's a simple one that we will be using for now. Then as we wait to work on the bigger house on the other side, which is not in a good condition, just show them the house.
So guys, as you can see, it's very crooked. It's not in order. So in the meantime, the chicks are going to stay inside here as we mend it there. This one looks better.
Yeah, for now they'll just they'll be living here for about maybe 2 weeks.
Yeah,
Not more than 2 weeks, maybe 2 weeks or even less than 2 weeks. Then meantime, we are going to remove all those stuff inside there, and we are going to try and fix that house, so that we don't have all these chickens out here, and also the chicks. We just want all the chicks and all the hens to be in that house. But as you guys know, we have to work on those. So we just have a lot of a bigger project in front of us that we need to work on. And yeah, I'm just so much excited about this, and I hope I will be able to, you know, to fix all these things with the help of Babu and my sister here, Naomi. Yeah, it's I can say it's the three of us that we always try to make sure that the chickens here, they get water, food, and also for the goat to be taken out. You know, most of the time I'm not here, so Naomi, my sister here, and Babu, they always do an amazing job to make sure that all the chicks and all the hens and the chickens in general, they get a nice place, a nice food, and also the goat too, to be taken out. Yeah, so I'm impressed, and I'm just so happy to be doing all this project, guys. Yeah, so I think we'll be able to fix this house.
Yeah,
the three of us.
Sure, for sure.
Yes, you can.
Yes, we can.
Yeah, so guys, I'm trying to put the nipple drinker in the cage, but the entrance here, it's a little bit smaller, so I'm just gonna try my best to see if I'll be able to manage to put it inside, because by the end of today, they need to be inside and they need to start eating. The chicks haven't eaten anything yet, so I'm yet to give them food and water. Yeah, basic needs. I managed to put in the nipple drinker, as you guys can see, and I even have some water inside already. So I just hope the height is also okay. So I just want to close it for now. So the lid is closed, So I just want to transfer the chicks inside here. So these are the chicks, the broilers. So I just want to put them inside there. I have all the chicks inside here. So the next thing that I want to do is to put now food for them. After waiting here for a while to see what will happen, if they'll be able to find about the nipple, and finally they did. So it's like survival for the fittest. Everyone wants to drink the water. So that is just the good news for day one. I'm excited about what I'm seeing right now, guys. I know right now they are so hungry. I need to get food for them. I managed to put also the food inside, but I can see the rate at which they are so thirsty. It's very, very high at this point. But they've been eating just a few. And the thing that I'm about to do right now is I'm trying to reach Babu. He just left to go get some sawdust, and I want to make sure that tonight they have light. That is one of the most important things with this chick. They need to have light. So I'm just amazed by everything that I'm seeing right now. Amazing. I wish I could be having another drinker to have it on the other side, so that they don't roam on one side. You understand? Yeah. So, but I know as time goes by, I'll be able to find money and be able to purchase more of the nipple drinkers for them. Wycliffe is back, and he's back with the sawdust. I think he's going to put them inside. Let me just open this.
Remove the feeders and
I should remove the feeders. Okay.
So guys, here is the sawdust.
Do you think it should be like a lot of them?
See, I'm going to spread it.
Okay.
Yeah. So maybe I start from the other side. So, don't worry. Come here. I think they should let me move the chicks to the other side. Hey, move.
Babu is doing an amazing job here. So the goat is here. My brother Moses brought the goat back home from grazing, and I don't know what's up with the goat. So I think I'm gonna try to raise the nipple drinker a little bit higher. So everything seems to be super amazing here. So the purpose of the sodas, I don't know if you had said something about it earlier.
Yeah, it's to help the chicks be warm, to prevent them from getting cold.
Okay.
Because they might get sick because of the cold.
Okay.
So it's like how can I say, natural heater kinda.
Oh, it's like the way we usually have ceiling.
Yes.
I don't know what's not happening there. But do you remember when we
The
first
first time.
brought the kid home?
They are so aggressive to the goats. They wanted
And right
to-
now,
they neutral. Sometimes
I think they've bond.
yeah, they've created a good bond, a rapport. So now it's either the dogs are afraid of the goat, or sometimes the goat is afraid of the dog.
Wow.
Alternates
Because I saw it's like she wanted to fight.
the dog, yeah.
Amazing. Wow. It's just marvelous, like how everything is working here. The goat is over there so freely,
From
And,
raising,
like I feel like there's just a chilling vibe in this area. Like nothing is, you see, you see even Naomi and Jasmine, they're just sitting there relaxing. Babu is here,
just cool, taking
yeah, and the dog is there chained, and the other dog is just sleeping, and just everything is, it's just amazing here, guys. So I'm enjoying also. And even my grass, guys, my grass is it's doing so good, very amazing. This place is so green, and in courtesy of Babu here. So you got your first payment, right?
Yes, I did that.
You saw how your
Yeah.
hard work really paid.
I'm humbled, by the way, for that commitment.
Yeah, this guy he got almost how much was it? More than, it was around
$34.
34
Yeah,
plus 1,044.
$44.
And initially you were supposed to be paid
That one.
3,000.
Yes.
3,000, but he got more than 3,000. So I think as the more he works, the more the payment goes up. You have to start from Martin, like small.
Yeah, small beginnings.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Very soon he will be earning 10,000. Yeah. So keep up the good job.
Thanks, man.
Hey kid, what are you doing? I need to rush, get a bulb and a holder and a cable and a socket, because we have to make sure that they have light by the end of tonight
Because they feed almost the whole night,
and the whole day,
the whole day. Like they spend most of the time feeding.
and eating.
That's why by the end of 4 to 5 weeks, they are big hens, ready for slaughter.
Yeah.
Yes.
Awesome. So let me just do that because of time. I hope I'll be able to find a place to buy all these things. So right now we are just going to keep them here for now, as we work for the other chicken house. Yeah. So I'm just so great to see my goat being so amazing. I just came here and I saw Wycliffe was working, removing. You are doing.
I was weeding, so I was putting some manure from the
Oh,
hens. So this helps the grass to be more nutritious.
and to grow very fast.
Yes.
And I noticed we have
Tomato.
tomato.
Yes.
Wow. And I know it will work so good. Amazing.
Avocado tree.
Yeah, so guys, I managed to buy a few of the things here. There is a cable, there's a bulb, there's a bulb holder, and there is a switch here, and this is to screw. So I want to remove light from here and take it all the way to around this place, because they need light so that they can eat and drink overnight. So I'm so glad they had to put this one here to give them light, but they need heat. So with that one, it will help with the with this bulb. It always produces heat, even though it's 60 watts. I wish I could have gotten for the 120 or 90 watts. Yeah, so let me start to do this job.
In the hurting, in the blue, you're the one I hold on to. I'm putting all my hope in you. I will wait upon you, Lord. And just because I'm in this pain doesn't mean I can't be whole again. Faithful to the very end, I will wait upon you, Lord. I will wait upon you, Lord.
Yeah, the electricity is back and I've managed to fix everything. So right now I just want to plug it in and see if it's gonna work. And I have my bulb here too. Though it is 60 watts, I've already talked to my dad to bring something that probably 100 watts or even 120 watts. Yeah, but for now we will just use the 60 watts. So let's see how it works. Perfect. The bulb is working, and it's very bright and very hot already. So yeah, I've just installed the light, and I can see they really like the light. So far so good. They've been eating, and I think right now they are sleeping close to the light. The light that I bought, it always produces heat, and that's why they are roaming around the heat. So that means it means everything seems to be okay. So I just want to end this video here by saying thank you guys for being with me since the start of this video until right now. So yeah, peace out guys, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And yeah, I love you all. I love you, each and every one of you. Peace out once again.